So this tape, you know, there is a white tape underneath this battery. Just do like this. Yeah, this is the main tape, but make sure first remove the screen. Yeah. So just take this out little bit. Be careful not to puncture the battery, otherwise it can burn. Yeah, and then put your screwdriver here and rotate. Yeah, and then slowly just twist that. The tape will roll on the screwdriver. You keep on doing slowly, yeah. And yeah, okay, so both sides you can do that, and you remove the battery very easily. Okay,
Yeah.
that's the easiest way. So even the other side, if you want to remove, you do like this and you remove. I'm not gonna remove because it's customer's phone.
Yeah.
So okay, just